They came out with BONA. I think this is their official. Is this their like full like title comeback? Chat. T5 is a trip. Like they killed that ish. Hey, some of them young as hell though too. They still hella young. All right, let's check out Treasure, shall we? BONA. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Let me put captions on too. Oh, they got the shoes out and everything. They got the church shoes out. No, those are not church shoes. Those are clubbing shoes. Oh shit, the glove. Oh, hold up. No, you're not gonna just do that to me. You know what that felt like? Every time they do that, I feel like they're doing this to my chin. It's like. What? I feel like this is how my popcorn be popping in the microwave if this happens. Okay. Ooh, I like how that dropped. Ooh. Threw a grenade. No, Bruno. Okay. I like that drop right there. Okay. Since I was born? Oh, they are on full white? Not full white. Oh. Born to love. BONA. What? Was that a? Oh, that's a light going through their feet. Okay. I thought it was a shockwave or something. Love ya. Damn, they got the horns on like repeat. I like that. The drums and the horns. Making it an anthem. Oh. Hey. That part was fire, actually. That part was hot. That was fire. Let me see that part one more time. What's that mother effing vibe? Hold up. I want to join the crew. Hey. Ooh, okay, pick it up. Hey. Damn. And then back to this. I like that. I think that was a nice break though. I wonder if they're actually gonna do it again. There's a lot more. I'm glad. Ooh. Ooh, you better sing. Let's go falsettos. Ooh, the beat's crazy. What? Oh, military. Hey. Have I seen this set before? I feel like I have. This has been used before, no? I thought it's a bad thing. It's just so familiar. Ooh. Okay, we're slowing it down a little bit. Okay, we're speeding it up. Never mind. I thought we're slowing it down for a little bit. We're speeding it up. Are we having a party at the end again? Are we turning it up at the end? Let me see. Oh. They always party at the end, YG. Dang, I love his hair. His hair looks so healthy. Oh, it went to the Caribbean? Wait. This is a fake yacht? And just green screen the background? If so, pretty impressed. Oh, the guitar and everything. Bona, 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 love ya. Bona, bona. That I did not expect it to be born to. I never seen any teasers or anything, but bona, 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 love ya kind of ish. I did not expect that actually, because that could have gone anywhere. I didn't know where it was gonna go, but I'm actually pretty dope with it. Maybe not. Maybe they did. Oh, whisper in my ear. Dang. What's that part right here? I don't know why I like this. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Woo. Woo, okay. There he come in. Damn. That's heat. That's heat right there. That's heat right there. And then back to like the regular, like back on schedule. They just did a side mission for a little bit, but back on schedule. All right, Treasure. I see you with that one. I see you with that one.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.